Hi, I hope you're all doing great. Let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and as you can see for now, you will only have one chord, and it'll be the C sharp 7 composed of the F, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of C sharp. And you will have several ways to play this introduction. So you can either play the chord like this, so here, and then you can move it up into the higher notes if you want to. Or you can also play it as an arpeggio. So first time like this and then. Or you can get closer to the original by playing like this. Something like that. So I'll replay it slowly. Bass and chord. Then arpeggio. And from here, you're gonna go back down to the F, and then do B, G sharp, F, B, G sharp, F, B, G sharp, F, B, G sharp, F. And it's not even exactly how it is played in the original, but you can do whatever you want anyways. And after that, you will be able to move on to the verse. Let me show you the new chart, and of course, you will have a lot of new chords. First, the F sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Then, the G sharp minor composed of the D sharp, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of G sharp. Then, the D sharp minor composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And eventually, the B major composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. So for this introductory verse, I suggest you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyrics. I know you wanted me to stay, but I can't ignore the crazy visions of me in LA. And I heard that there's a special place where boys and girls can all be queens every single day. And you reach the pre-chorus, which will use the same chord order, but this time with a real rhythm. So here's the corresponding chart, and this time I suggest you play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord, and then you play the chord alone on the 2, the 3, and the 4 for every single chord. 3, 4. I'm having wicked dreams of leaving Tennessee. Here's Santa Monica, I swear it's calling me. Won't make my mama proud, it's gonna cause a scene. She sees a baby girl, I know she's gonna scream. And you reach the chorus. Let me show you the corresponding chart, and notice that once again it's going to be the same chord order. However, if you want to get closer to the original song, you will need to play the first section a little bit differently, because if you listen closely, you will hear the synth playing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyrics. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club, oh mama. I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong now, not the... And at that moment, you will go back to the previous rhythm, and I suggest adding a bass note on the third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord. 3, 4. Pink Pony Club, I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club, Pink Pony Club. And you reach the second verse, which you could play like the first one by using the same chart and the same playing method, but you could also play these chords using arpeggios. So here's a readapted chart for this new rhythm, and I'm going to suggest 2 ways to play it, a simple method and a more advanced one. So first method, you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Only once, and you do that on every chord. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And now with the lyrics. 3, 4. I'm up and jaws are on the floor. Lovers in the bathroom and a line outside the door. Black lights and a mirror disco ball. Every night's another reason why I left it all. Or you can also double the bass and the chords, so this time instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4, so instead you're gonna double everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord. First time without the lyrics. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And at original speed and with the lyrics, it should sound like this. 3, 4. I'm up and drawers are on the floor. Lovers in the bathroom and a line outside the door. Black lights and a mirror disco ball. Every night's another reason why I left it all. So you will play this chart twice and then you can move on to the pre-chorus using the same chart. 3, 4. I thank my wicked dreams, a year from Tennessee. Oh Santa Monica, you've been too good to me. Won't make my mama proud, it's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl, I know she's gonna scream. And you reach the chorus. Let me show you the readapted chart and notice that it is exactly the same chart, only here you will repeat it 4 times in a row. So you can either play with the simple arpeggios. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl and you dance at the club, oh mama. I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the... Or you double the bass and the chords. At the pink pony club, I'm gonna keep on dancing at the pink pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the pink pony club, pink pony club. You then reach a musical section that you can play with the same chord order, but this time you will only play the chart once. But after this musical part, you will have a much softer section and this time the chord order changes completely. Here's the corresponding chart and note that you even get an extra chord and it will be the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F and the G sharp and the bass note of C sharp. And as indicated, you will hold each chord for 4 beats. 3, 4. Don't think I've left you all behind. Still love you in Tennessee, you're always on my mind. And mama, every Saturday I can hear your southern drawl 1,000 miles away saying. And then you reach the final chorus, which you can play using the corresponding chart and your preferred playing method. And you'll be able to finish this song with the F major chord. I wish you good luck for this song and I will see you very soon in the next one.